Wash fruits and vegetables. Stir ingredients in a bowl. Tear lettuce. Pour liquids. Grease pans. Open packages. Peel oranges or hard-cooked eggs. Snip fresh herbs with dull scissors. Mash bananas with a fork. Measure ingredients. Cut soft foods with a blunt knife. Set the table. Garnish food. Help plan the meal. Roll and shape cookies. Beat ingredients with a whisk. Find ingredients in a cabinet or spice rack. Make a salad. Open cans. Use a microwave oven. Prepare simple recipes with few ingredients. Use an oven. Use a knife. Shred cheese and vegetables. Prepare recipes with multiple ingredients. Prepare recipes independently. Now you have an idea for when you're teaching kids to cook.